Lab safety. Classroom expectations that I will hold: no roughhousing, pushing, kicking, or hitting. Notify the teacher of any spills or breaks in the classroom. Be aware of all exits and safety procedures in case of an emergency. For example, a tornado, a fire, or any other possible emergencies. Always wait for the teacher's directions. More classroom expectations I will hold: behave responsibly with equipment, return equipment correctly, read all instructions carefully, do not touch the materials unless instructed to do so. Never taste, eat, or drink anything in science class. Avoid touching eyes, ears, face, or mouth when holding specific materials. Here are a couple of examples of what not to do. We see Savannah is using a straw to drink dangerous chemicals. Evan is also drinking while in the classroom during lab. There are various spills and broken glass sitting around the floor that has not been reported. Freddie is playing around, and Lindsay is not paying attention because she is talking while working. There are scissors in the outlets and running water with outlets sticking out of it. There's many different mistakes going on here. There's also food sitting out, and all of the safety equipment is over in the corner, but no one has paid attention to that. And so this is a very dangerous situation in a classroom and what not to do during a lab. So be safe while learning and follow the safety directions.